Hello people once again. Now, this video is all going to be about the Bear 650. But you might ask, you're not really looking at the Bear 650, you know? That's because it is hidden behind this beautiful gem. What Oi! Ta-ta! The new Interceptor Bear 650. So in this video, we're gonna talk about what makes it different from the Interceptor that you saw just now. What is so special about it actually, and who is it for? Let's go! Now, first of all, the Bear 650 gets a lot of upgrades that is not carried from the Interceptor. It's carried from, let's say, the Super Meteor. An example, the LED headlights here, the digital dash that features triple navigation, and also the upgraded switch gears, which feels so premium. It's all metal, guys. Looks so beautiful. And then, yes, you can see the design-wise, other differences include side panels, and you no longer get the two exhausts that comes out from each side. It's a 2-to-1 now, because of course it's a Scrambler, right? So it's a bit custom. And then the seat, instead of a bench flat seat, you get something that swoops a little bit up. Your pillion is going to feel more comfortable, I would say, for sure. Other than that, 17-inch at the back, Scrambler tires for you to go off-road lah, already sedia. And the front, 19. So this is no longer your city roadster. I mean, it can be, but it's geared towards more off-road adventures now. So other than that, you see that the number here, 249, that means it's actually to commemorate a win by Eddie Mulder last time. So Eddie Mulder, if you don't know who he is, just search him up, he's so famous. Basically, he won at 16 years old using his Royal Enfield Fury. The first bear tournament, we call it. I think I'm getting that right? Should be right? Yeah, I think it's right. Now, in terms of the seat height, it's a bit taller. Let's say if you bring it to an adventure, if you load up all your stuff, your baggage, your bag, your heavy gears. The firm suspension, yes, it is indeed a bit harder than my Interceptor. But I'm pretty sure Royal Enfield take into account that you are going to load up this baby with a lot of bags. How many bags? I don't know, but a lot of bags to go on long adventures. And after you load up all the stuff, it's not going to feel as firm. I'm pretty sure. Other than that, the engine feel is exactly the same as the Interceptor. Not much have changed in terms of, I can feel that the gearing is a bit longer, but it is still the 650 that everybody knows and loves. Who is this bike for? Now, if you looked online, you see a lot of custom modifications that people took the Interceptor, changed it to chunkier tires, and give it the rugged look. But if you think about it, the pricing of these two bikes, they are not really that far apart. And Royal Enfield has already done all the modifications that you want to make this bike a Scramble already. So if you're looking to get yourself a 650 Scrambler without taking yourself a second-hand or a new Interceptor to mod, Royal Enfield got you covered. And basically that's what the Bear 650 is. This is a Scrambler version of the Interceptor 650. You don't want to customize? Buy this one lah. All done already. Just go ride saja. Kan? To sum it all up, this is the closest thing you can get to a Himalayan 650 before the Himalayan 650 releases. I think. Yeah, should be it lah. Why I like to yap so much? Should we just go for a ride? Tukar! So the exhaust surely needs a lot more bass. I can hardly feel its presence. But yeah, upon sitting on this bike and starting it up, it feels like exactly like my Interceptor. It's just that the front wheel is definitely bigger, so the bike feels taller. Now with the bike feeling taller, it actually means that the center of gravity is also taller and makes this a very flickable bike. Look at it. For how heavy the bike actually is, it feels so light. To flick around, that is. Okay, so I'm going to be taking you guys to mountain parts that I always use. Just to see how well it corners. Okay, the suspension is, like I said in the video, it's a bit harder than the Interceptor or the Continental. But yeah, this bike is designed to handle heavier loads for your off-roading needs. So it's understandable. I can feel that the gearing is definitely longer per gear, especially at the lower gears. So it's really more forgiving, I would say, for newer riders that can't handle that much torque. And this really upright position is very comfortable. The seat is a bit harder than my Interceptor though. Now, as this is a loaner bike just for this video, I won't be taking it up to, you know, off-roady bits. I don't want to get it dinged up or anything. Okay, so sitting position, quite high up. Now, how do I know it's high up? On my Interceptor, I can flat foot the bike, but on this Bear 650, I can't. It's a bit of a tippy-toe situation even with my taller boots. You see the cruising bits is very smooth. At third gear, it cruises around 2000 RPMs. The mirrors are not shaking, it's not vibrating crazily. Whatever vibration you see comes from the very famous Malaysian Sabahan Moon surface roads. So let's see how well it handles the twisties. Very well, very planted. Okay, the harder suspension basically helps a lot over here because the bike really sticks to the corners. And with how long the gearing is, I can basically corner at 4th gear, no worries. Oh, it's just so easy to handle. Now into 4th, and very, very generous lean angle, just like the 3rd. Woohoo! Oh, cornering with this bike is so addictive. It's just so easy to flick around, and I'm surrounded by plush forest. Okay, so lane splitting is easy, effortless. So it does have a lot of pull, so much pull. The 650 engine, yeah, there's a lot of people who bash on it. Oh, it's slow on paper. It doesn't even do 200, but the torque that this monster of an engine has, it's why Royal Enfields, no, they just keep using this engine for all kinds of platforms because it is so good. Okay. It takes me like less than 5 seconds to do 80 kilometers per hour. It's just that easy. That bike is so beautiful. I'm just speechless every time I look at it though. Sometimes you just take for granted like how smooth the gear changes actually are. And it's something that this 50 engine does so damn well. Some people like very tactile gear switches, clunk, clicks. And me, I don't know, because my first bike is an Interceptor, I think I like it more when the gears are so smooth you don't feel anything at all. Jobless adventures. Let me bring you on a ride. Even though I've got no money, but I still wanna have fun. Jobless adventures. There's so many places to go. Let me bring you to high hills and other seas, and let's go on a ride. You guys like that? That's my new theme song.
Hey guys, hey don't go lah. Like and sub first lah. Support brother lah. Kawan sendiri pun tidak support. Royal Enfield pun tidak sponsor me. See you next time. You go lah. You go. Don't talk to me now.